Earrings with a statement are making a great comeback. In fashion, simplicity is rarely achieved. Putting on a big pair of earrings and walking out the door isn't always easy. It is also possible to wear earrings as a statement piece, and wearing these pieces properly can keep your look from becoming too cluttered and crowded. There is no rulebook when it comes to statement earrings. If you're confused about what to wear, then we're here to help you. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Earrings make a simple outfit glam by adding some glam. Statement earrings and other statement accessories enable you to make your own personal brand, and there is nothing better than being yourself. These earrings are unique, chic, and beautiful to take your outfit to the next level. Sometimes, though, it is challenging to know how to match statement earrings to your outfit. But if you know how to match it with your outfit, it can make your attire fashionable and beautiful. Having statement earrings makes a statement. But first, you need to know, what statement are you making? Are you trying to convey an air of class and elegance? Then you should choose pearls or gemstones. How about a little bit of razzle-dazzle? This is definitely the case with diamonds and shiny metals such as gold and silver. If you want to let the world know that you are different and fun, then wear colorful and bold earring designs. Do you like retro, funky, and cool things? If you're an old soul, then tassel earrings and fringe earrings will show it off to the world. And for those who are traditional, stylish, and love fashion, put on a pair of big classic hoops. Now, let's see some tips for styling statement earrings. Adding a statement earring to a simple outfit adds personality and style to the attire. Make your statement earring stand out with a simple outfit, such as a little black dress, a plain sweater, or a basic tee. This will instantly dress up a basic outfit and add some personality to it. You can wear statement earrings with a simple bun or ponytail. Make sure you brush your hair behind your ear every now and then if you are going to wear your hair down with earrings. That way, your earrings will stand out better. Your statement earrings will look really beautiful if you pull your hair back on at least one side and leave one or both ears bare. Statement earrings look good if you wear bold shoes or a printed dress or top. You can pull attention up to your face with a pair of bold earrings if those pieces draw attention to that area of your body. To complement a bold outfit, choose neutral statement earrings such as gold, silver, black, or white, instead of something wild like bright pink or blue. Keep in mind that they shouldn't clash with the rest of your outfit. When you wear statement earrings, they should be the focus. Keeping them out of competition with your other jewelry is a good idea. For the day, wear a bracelet or a few subtle rings, otherwise keep your jewelry at home. You can try different earrings and pair them with whatever you are wearing, so have fun! You can wear a contrasting shade like the orange and white combination with your outfit. Making your outfit still look stylish is as easy as matching your accessories, and your earrings will look great with either a belt, bag, or shoes. Adding pops of color anchors your outfit and is a great way to change up your look for less. Lastly, gold is timeless and gives even the biggest statement earrings an elegant feel. Hoop earrings is the most popular piece of statement earring. So these are some of the styling tips for your statement earrings, which you can try out to give yourself a gorgeous outlook in an instant. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share it if you find this video useful. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.